got us a 1, 2, 3 block.
Looks good, man.
We make this at TCAT Jackson, Lexington campus, machine tool shop.
All right. You like going to school here?
Yes, sir. Pretty neat.
So,
Make their own tools.
You've been here almost a year now. You got a job somewhere?
Yes, sir. I work at Falcon Plastic.
Good deal. And probably graduate this year. Hopefully, right?
Yes, sir. Hoping to. Hoping to.
All right. So, what do you think about the class?
It's a good class. I mean, it didn't take me long to get a job at all, you know?
Right.
I like it.
And you setting up a CNC mill over here right now, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good deal, man.